Alright, man, so, hey, it's been a while, man, but I am back and better. This time, man, we bringing content. It's been a while. I took a break, had to do some things and work on some stuff, but we are back. We done crossed 1,000 subscribers, man. I wanna say I appreciate y'all. I think the last time I looked, it was at 1,004. If you haven't subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button for me, man. Trying to get paid, trying to bring y'all some better content. And hey, if I get paid, the content come, man. The content come. Content only get better. But what we finna do is that old Mustang I got with that old 4-cylinder in it. That joke ain't been cleaned up in a while. I cleaned up. I kind of pressure washed the back of it just a little bit. But we finna clean this thing up, man. We finna get it cleaned up. I got some speakers and stuff I'm gonna put in it. I got a little body kit that I want to put on it. I don't know if I want to put it on there right now or if I want to wait. I don't know how I want to do it, but anyway, man, we finna see if the battery dead. I don't know if the battery dead. It's been a while since I moved it, since I crunk it. It's been a while, so we finna get down here. I got the keys. Y'all see them keys? OG original keys for it. Let me see if I can get that joker to focus on that key. Huh? OG original. That's just a key to the garage. But yeah, man, I got a lot of content coming, man. A lot of it. So subscribe and hit the bell. And we finna go see if this thing gonna crank, man. It's a Ford, so I mean, hey, I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't crank. But y'all stay tuned. So man, we got Iron Man and we got Foxy sitting over here together. Iron Man, I know it ain't gonna crank. That battery gone. We got Foxy sitting over here. Let y'all see how dirty this thing got, man. Y'all can't really tell from this video, man, but this thing horrible, man. The video ain't showing y'all nothing. See if I can get in a good spot where the sun ain't hitting it at. Here go the difference from where I pressure washed it at the back and where I haven't pressure washed it at. So anyway, man, we finna get this thing a good wash. Oh, we probably just gonna pressure wash it if I'm just being honest. Iron Man over here dirty too. Yeah, Iron Man dirty. I ain't drove Iron Man in a minute, man. Look at that. Iron Man gonna be the next one, man. We're gonna clean Iron Man up in the next video. I don't know if y'all seen it since I put the bumper back on it, but yeah, bumper back on it. Everything sprayed. And hey, we good to roll out. But anyway, man, we finna see if this old Mustang will crank up. Finna see if this old V8 4-cylinder Mustang will crank. One of the videos, man, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna clean these seats up. Matter of fact, I might show y'all in this video. We're gonna vacuum it out, clean the seats up real good. I'm gonna go grab everything. I'm gonna at least clean up the, let's say the passenger seat. I'm gonna clean up the passenger seat. But anyway, man, see what we get. Let's see what we get, man. Got a few lights on the dash. I heard the fuel pump fire. Let's see. Okay, on the one. Foxy says she ready now. Big Bad Foxy is what I call her. She ready, man. I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit. We're gonna pull up closer to the house, man, and get the pressure washer going, and we're gonna see what we got. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna work on this seat. We're gonna clean the whole interior up. But this passenger seat really need to be cleaned. And probably in the next video, we're gonna put these speakers in here. These are the back speakers. So, alright, but man, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna let this thing warm up and we're gonna pull it up. Man, as y'all can see, man, this joker run good, man. This old car run good, man. I'm gonna get y'all down here by this tail. Get y'all down here by this tailpipe, man. Joker run good. That joker run good, buddy. Put a new fuel pump in it. And that joker run good now, man. Gonna get this joker cleaned up. don't even know if y'all can hear that joker running. It run so good. I'm gonna find me a little Ranger or something, man. When I get ready to put that big bad supercharged LS in here, I'm gonna have to take this little 4 cylinder and put in a little Ranger or something and drive that joker. Joker run good, man. The air condition work, heater work, everything, man. So anyway, man, I'm finna get this old pressure washer. I'm finna go out here and get the vacuum cleaner and the steam cleaner, and we finna do exactly what we said we were gonna do, man. Y'all just stay tuned. All right, man, we got the DeWalt, we got the water hose hooked up, we got our cleaning gun, we got our gun, we got a green. We're gonna go with a green tip on this bad boy. This thing dirty. And we ain't gonna use no soap or nothing, man. We just gonna clean this thing, go real good. And that's gonna pretty much be it. It don't need no soap. I ain't using no soap back here either, man. It came out pretty good. So anyway, man, we finna do this first. We're gonna get the car cleaned up, front, back, everywhere first. And then we're gonna go get the what's the name, and then we're gonna do the inside. We're gonna do that driver's seat. I'm gonna vacuum the whole car, but y'all ain't gotta see all that. But I'm gonna just clean that seat. I'm gonna just show y'all how to clean that seat. How y'all can clean the cloth seats up real good. It might take a couple times depending on how dirty the seats is, but you can definitely get it done. But anyway, we're finna crank up this old DeWalt 3400 with that big bad Honda motor on there. That big bad Honda motor on there. Yes sir. Yes sir. Big bad Honda motor, baby. Let's see what we get. Hold on, let me make sure it's on. Make sure it's on. Okay, we gotta turn it on first. See what we get. Yes sir. Honda motor, baby. I'm gonna get y'all start up, man, and y'all can go watch me get it in, man. Let y'all see this difference, man. Look at that. That side and this side, man. Look at that difference. Anyway, man, I'm gonna get this finished up, and then I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when I get on the inside, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Real quick. We all finished up, man. We all finished up. I just want to get y'all this shot while it wet, because it ain't gonna look that good when it dry. So I'm gonna let y'all drool over Foxy right now while it wet, because when it dry, then when y'all gonna go back to saying, oh man, that thing need a paint job. I'm gonna get you now though while that joker wet and that sun hitting that joker. Yes sir. But yeah, man, I'm finna get on this seat. Show y'all this seat. Passenger side. I ain't gonna do the driver side because I might have to get back in that joker. Passenger side seat, man, a little dirty. We're gonna do that floor. And we're gonna do this carpet over here. We're gonna clean that thing. We're gonna make this thing like new, man. Let me show y'all, man. Stay tuned. Let me go get the stuff and I'll be right back. Alright, man, so here we go. I'm finna get ready to vacuum this seat up. And I'm gonna pull this mat out right here. Pull this whole mat out the way. We're gonna clean that mat up too, but I'm gonna sit it out the way for right now. So we're just gonna vacuum up this little dirt. It ain't much, but we're gonna vacuum it up. And then we're gonna bring the big boy steamer in. Then I'm gonna show y'all what's really going on. Remember how this seat look? I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Man, so we got our steamer, man. Let me get a good look on this steamer. I think it may be maybe $100 and something, man, for this little steamer, man. Got some different attachments that go on the end of it. And this is what we're gonna use to scrub. Whenever it warms up, it takes a long time to warm up. But once it warms up, we're gonna steam clean these stains. I'm gonna just go grab some. Man, if you got some carpet cleaner, man, if you got some Awesome or some Mean Green or anything that's cleaning, any cleaning agents, gonna work. Matter of fact, for this video, I'm gonna just use Awesome. I got, carpet cleaning, interior cleaner, but I'm gonna use Awesome just to show y'all almost anything will work. So y'all stay tuned when it get warmed up. I'm gonna show y'all during the process how it works. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, so all I got right here is a little bit of Totally Awesome in a bottle. I don't know how good y'all can see that, but the bottle wore out, but it just got a little bit in there. While the steamer warming up, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the seat real good, especially in the spot where the stain at. The spots on the floor where the stains are, I'm gonna go ahead and spray them. And if you got a brush, you can go ahead and start brushing it in there. Even though the rest of the seat clean, I'm gonna still just spray it all over the seat. The rest of the seat look pretty good, but I'm gonna steam it all. Who knows? Somebody might buy them. I ain't gonna use these seats, but ooh, this stuff strong. It's strong, man. But anyway, y'all see what we're doing. We have in motion. Spray that up real good, man. Then after this, man, you just take your vacuum cleaner and just suck the water, suck most of the water back out, and it'll be dry in no time. But anyway, the steamer still got to finish warming up. It ain't quite warm yet. I'm pushing the button, ain't doing nothing just yet. So we're gonna give the steamer a few more minutes, and then once it's warmed up, we're gonna get to it. Alright, man, the steamer should be good and warmed up by now. Uh-oh, got a little water, but there we go. So we got a little steam, and then you just steam it up, and you just steam that bad there while you're brushing it, and you can literally see that stain loosening up, man. Works like a charm. Good rag or something, man, to wipe that out of there. Clean the whole seat up. Alright, man, I'm gonna finish this seat up, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like, man. We're gonna end that video right there, man. Let me finish this up. It's hard doing it with one hand. So let me finish this up. Let me show y'all the results. I don't know if y'all remember this mat with all the stains on it, but if you go back in the video and take a look, I took the same steps on this mat. It ain't perfect. I didn't go over it but one time with the steamer. And man, look at how it came out. It was a big stain, like right here. Can't even really tell it. As far as the inside, now go to seat. Still can see where it was dirty at just a little bit, but I didn't have the right microfiber rag, man. Make sure you get a microfiber rag so it can soak up all that dirt out of there. And man, you'll have a darn near perfect seat, man. A little stain that was in the back is pretty much gone. If I had a microfiber rag, I was lazy. I didn't feel like going to get it. I got one, but I didn't feel like going to get it. So this is what we got, man. But it looked 10, 20 times better than it did. We also kind of messed with the floor just a little bit, not too much, but that stain that was right there kind of came up a little bit. I ain't really messed with it. Yeah, we kind of messed with the floor a little bit, not too much though, but anyway, man, that's basically how you would do it, man. But if you could find like what they call a spot cleaner or a carpet cleaner that would do it all in one, one step, that would definitely make your life easier. That way you don't need the steamer and then a vacuum cleaner separate. So Anyway, man, that's gonna wrap this one up, man. We was just gonna clean up Foxy in this video. I ain't brought y'all no content in a long time, so I just figured I'd bring y'all something. But we do got some more content coming. I know I hadn't showed y'all that yet. That's a work in progress. That's been in progress for, man, I don't know how many years at this point. So anyway, man, that's one that I'm gonna bring to the channel. You already know we got Foxy eventually gonna go in there in that car space, and then we got Iron Man. Iron Man going in next. Iron Man is next for the lab. I ain't sure if Iron Man gonna go big block or if we going LS. I ain't sure. But anyway, man, when the time comes, we'll make that decision. But anyway, man, that's gonna wrap this one up. And in the next one, man, we probably gonna be working on Iron Man. So y'all like the video, subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man. Bulls TV, gone.